It's time to take 5. Now you know.
We're here at West Boca Medical Center, a Palm Beach Health Network hospital. Today we're speaking with orthopedic surgeon Dr. David Padden about robotic-assisted joint replacement and the importance of not delaying care. Dr. Padden, you're an orthopedic surgeon with a specialty in minimally invasive hip and knee replacement surgery. Tell us about the types of conditions you treat.
I generally treat the arthritic conditions of the hip and knee, which mainly are degenerative in nature, although of course involve post-traumatic as well as the inflammatory arthritides, which include of course rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, and a number of other conditions.
You offer Mako robotic-assisted joint replacement at West Boca Medical Center. Can you tell us about those procedures? And what are the benefits?
I've been fortunate enough to be involved with the Mako procedure since its inception in 2010 with the total hip. It gives us an outstanding ability to perform accuracy and precision in both the placement and planning of the procedure. This is unprecedented given that we cannot necessarily build a prosthesis for your body at the time of surgery, and this gives us the ability to place these components to a degree that was unable at the times before. In addition, in terms of the knee replacement and the partial knee, it gives us ability to change the implants and position them to give you the best potential result in terms of stability as well as range of motion, which are two of the largest causes of failure in knee replacement.
Many conditions, if left untreated, can become increasingly painful and even dangerous. What advice do you have for patients who may have pain or discomfort but are delaying care for fear of coming to the hospital?
We have maintained a very, very vigilant ability to keep these diseases at bay, in addition to maintaining our ultra-sterile environment via multiple means, including wearing special helmets and hoods, having special ventilation systems, and of course the state-of-the-art processes which we've always employed as well.
Why should a patient choose West Boca for hip and knee replacements?
I think we're a very nice small boutique hospital which has a very, very strong niche in this field. That allows us to have a superior ability to maintain the patient's experience from the preoperative phase all the way through the postoperative phase. In addition, of course, we employ the finest and most advanced technology today.
Why is it important, especially now, for patients to take care of their health?
Well, certainly now, given the propensity to either be more sedentary or more active, people's musculoskeletal needs are either worsening from overactivity or inactivity, and of course, given that that can increase their propensity to further stiffness and increasing pain, which functions to worsen other joints as well as worsen their quality of life, I think that there's no better time to start considering doing these things, as we're providing a safe and absolutely sterile and clean environment.
But at West Boca Medical Center, patients are allowed and even encouraged to have one support person when having an elective surgery. How important is this for the patients?
I think for both their mental and physical states, it's really important to have the emotional support. But whether their family member is planning to come visit or they're afraid, I can guarantee you that our nursing care is superior, and those nurses have stepped it up and given a great deal of emotional support during this time.
Tell us about the safety measures that the hospital has in place to keep patients safe.
Number one, we have limited access points in this hospital, being a small hospital. Number two, everyone's wearing masks. Number three, social distancing is strongly enforced in these facilities. And number four, every patient is being screened for COVID on an elective basis, and we're doing our best to maintain safety precautions and a healthy environment here at West Boca Medical Center.
Thank you, Dr. Padden, for all of this helpful information. We hope everyone understands it is important to take care of your health. And if you need surgery, please don't hesitate to go to the hospital. The doctors, nurses, and staff at West Boca Medical Center are there to keep you healthy and safe.